DIYers, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're about to head outside and have some more fun with our Ariens snowblower.
Alright DIYers, we are back up at the house. I'm excited to go inside and see what it looks like from the window. And as far as the snowblower used, it is a Ariens Deluxe 28 show, super high output. When it comes time to purchase a snowblower, nothing better, literally, nothing better than the Ariens. Take the key out, and this is awesome. Hey, down below in the comment section as well as the description section is a link to a video playlist which contains a whole bunch of videos, troubleshooting Ariens snowblower, review tutorials, and more. Definitely check those out. Very powerful auger, a large chute, and no joke, DIYers, Ariens is incredible. Again, Deluxe 28, super high output, and I've got heated grips. Here's the toggle switch, and in that playlist I just mentioned is a link on how to do that. Honestly, as I just mentioned, when it comes time to purchase a snowblower, nothing better than an Ariens. And a special shout out to Gravely Lawnmowers as well, because they are sister companies. We love both of those. Ariens in the winter, Gravely in the summer. No other option, period, for us. Also, scrolling above right now, if you're interested in installing a flagpole, is a link on how to install this exact Old Glory flagpole. Before we go inside, I've got the snowblower parked and Gravely Pro Turn ZX60. I'm telling you, Gravely in the summer, Ariens in the winter, no other options. And back to the DIY Raptor AK Craftsman workstation. And here's my mom and dad's jet ski in for winter project videos. How cool is that? Thanks again for watching. As you can see, it is snowy out there. And check those skateboards out. They even have DIY Raptor wheels. Again, we hope this helped, or you enjoyed the video at least. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.